What's up everybody, my name is C.A.R, aka the Sinister Camaro, and welcome to my garage for another video. Thank you again for joining me. I hope you're having a wonderful day. As always, we're pretty much running behind. We got to make it to an appointment with our friends at C.A.R and Security because unfortunately we ran into some issues, which I'll show you exactly what's going on. We got a big car show coming up this weekend in Holly Springs, North Carolina. I reserved my spot probably like a couple months ago because it's supposed to be a really good one. Used to be inside, now it's an outside show, which I know it's terrible, but we do what we gotta do. So basically, Camaro isn't officially down as far as like not drivable or anything. I can do that, but we've not got a light show anymore. So all the lights that we just recently installed in the past year have, for whatever reason, just died on us. For whatever reason, when I go to the app, I have a switch I flip in there and inside of the car. As soon as I flip that switch, you can see both channels light up that I have, because I have two separate channels for them, and unfortunately they're not showing up like they should be. This could be due to a main fuse going out, getting too hot and breaking, or something like that. I'm hoping it's something really simple. I know we've had rats in here before, and we were installing them before and had the front bumper off for a while, but I'm really hoping this is going to be a really simple fix. Of course, there's my wife over there, sleepy as I don't know what. So right here is my ColorWorks box. You can see all the tentacles pretty much coming out of it all different ways. We do have a couple spots of fuses and such that I've checked down here that we need to look at. I really didn't want to mess up the wire loom job because it looks really nice, really neat, and I definitely don't want to mess up all their hard work for doing all that. You can't really tell it shows unless you're looking for it, but I'm hoping it's going to be an easy fix, a really simple, maybe a wire went loose because the rat went in there, right in here somewhere for whatever reason, and snipped my wires. We didn't find out until we were installing them, and it started sparking and pretty much blew a fuse. So maybe that's all it is. We'll find out when we get there. And don't forget, I'll leave their link in the description below for their Instagram and their Facebook pages. They've helped us out for years. We've had all three, actually we've had 4 of our cars all go down there. My Acura I had before the Camaro the truck, and my wife's car all had work done. Great work, stand by their work, they're guaranteed their work. So we definitely want to go back, and they treat us so nice. So make sure to go smash that like, follow, and all that stuff for their pages, because they always got some good stuff going on. If you need some work done, they're located Wake Forest, North Carolina, of course, and who knows, you might see us up there one day. But we're gonna get on the road, get to going, go see them and figure this out, and we'll bring you guys along for a nice little vlog today. And let's get to it. Here we are. Just so I told you before, Walmart is over there, US 1 is over here, and this is where we're going to get our stuff installed. This is the Jeep Rubicon that they actually drive and customize themselves for Lizard Lick towing, and for whatever reason bought it off of them because they enjoyed it so much, but really like it. Of course, black and red. Let's go in here and see what they got. Alright guys, so we made it to C.A.R and Audio and Security, and it took literally 2 minutes like I said it would. Basic fuse, like I said, I didn't know where the main one was when we first left. But I'm telling you, one fuse is all it takes to mess up something like this. So if you have these lights, if it doesn't show up on your app, it's probably going to be your fuse. When I took this out, I'll show you a little picture at the top here, what it looked like. I basically pulled the fuse out, stuck in there, and the plastic basically ripped out. The metal prongs were still in the fuse holder, of course, and I pulled those out, and of course it was broken. So it was one of those small ones. Usually when you have like a system or something, you have these ginormous fuses, but for this lights, nah, just a little 15 amp. So let's go check out the guys that always fix my stuff, that always install my stuff and teach me how to do this. So, all right, so Chris, so this right here is Chris. Look at that.
There.
So basically, it was that same exact fuse that I was looking at.
I did it.
That's all it was. And now all my lights are on.
Glad to fix it for you.
Yeah, thanks. We just had to drive to Raleigh to get it fixed. But yeah, check out these guys right here, C.A.R Security. We've been working with us for years, and they've always served us right. They've always stood by their products, and everybody I send here pretty much has a good experience. So definitely check them out.
We'll give you a fuse for free.
I hate you. Alright, so just so you guys can see the kind of work that they do, here is the box that they actually made for me a while back. Hydro dipping we had somebody close by do, but anything like walled, clean looking, the 10-inch W7s, lighting, all that stuff. These guys set this up. It's awesome and very good sound quality. It's an enclosed box, so it's not going to be like to rattle everything off, but I'm telling you, it sounds so good, crisp and clean. If you see me in a show, let me know and I'll play some for you. They installed my Pioneer unit with the JL set up. They had to finagle that because the Pioneer apparently is not supposed to go in an Alpine head unit, but they made it work. They cleaned up my wiring that I did when I did the interior lighting and the cup holder. So they just cleaned up the wiring for that stuff. And here is the amp setup on the back. Again, hydro dipping was shipped off somewhere else, and they did the lighting and the box and everything like that. So definitely check these guys out. They're in Wake Forest, right off US 1, right next to Walmart. And I'll put their link in the description. Alright guys, so we made it home, and as you can tell, it's still on. We've got everything situated. So like I said, it's the simple things that break custom stuff, but a little bitty fuse like this, little 15 amp fuse, all it was. But before I wanted to leave you with this. We got a car show to go to this weekend in Holly Springs, North Carolina. Supposed to be a big show. Of course, I'm gonna be filming it for you, so watch out for the footage next week as well. But we're gonna be on our gaming channel doing Borderlands 3. If you guys are interested in that and want to hang out with us on there, be sure to check out the Sinister Camaro gaming channel. Link is in the description as well. And for those of you that likes to see the dog on the channel, here he is. Oh my goodness.
Run! Loki.
Just a little Loki action for you. He is a nut.
He's going all the way around.
That's what you made.
Don't record me.
I'm recording you. Blooper reel, what?
Loki!
What's your shirt say?
I want it that way.
Demonetize. See you. And always remember, never forget, stay sinister. Peace out, guys. See ya.
Perfect. Perfect.